Hey, welcome back to Crypto Temple. Crazy Jay coming back at you again. Thanks for watching today. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are wondering what the best crypto trading bot 2018 is. And, I know there's a lot of stuff out there. If you guys are into cryptocurrency, if you've been in the game a little bit at all, you probably know that, there's just a lot of shady stuff out there. I've lost about $12,000 in the last 3 weeks from systems that, they're called like lending programs or hash, you buy the hash rate, or you stake your money, stake your coins. Basically, those are third world websites, and you never know when whoever owns those websites, which you can hardly ever find out who owns those sites. You never know when those are just going to up and gone. So one day I'm making my 1%, right? You guys probably familiar with the whole 1%. They promise, you'll make 1% on your money. And I tell you what, it was working really good. I mean, it was doing exactly what they said it would do. But then, a lot of FUD on the internet, a lot of the SEC starting to look into programs like that. What the SEC does not like is they don't like when these programs require you to hand over your Bitcoin, right? So if you did a lend, you come in, you purchase your Bitcoin, right? And then you lend that Bitcoin to some platform out there, and maybe you trade it for their coin, and then with their coin you lend them back the coin to trade with, mine with, do whatever they're going to do with it, and then they basically guarantee you at least a 1% profit. Hey, it's great. It was working great, man. I was like, oh my God, this is going to be great. I'm going to be rich in like a year. I mean, like, I was so excited. I was like, wow, something that's actually working, and it's really like multiplying my Bitcoin. And then one day I went in my back office to the one platform, and bam, shut down. A couple weeks later, went into the other platform, shut down. I'm gonna be getting my Bitcoin back out of the one because they're a pretty stand-up company. But the other one looks like they're just gone. And I know a lot of you out there are familiar with those companies. I'm not gonna say what they are now, but so basically I got involved in Bitcoin and lost a lot of money. Now, thankfully I didn't lose everything, obviously, but I lost a pretty good chunk of money with those shady lending type of platforms where you actually have to give your Bitcoin away and just hope that they give it back to you, right? Without taking off with it one day. So, what those systems do is they start to claim that they get some sort of hack, somebody's hacking them, and then they'll just say that somebody hacked all the Bitcoin out of their system, and then they can't give any of it back. So it's just a shame. If you guys are out there, if any of you guys out there have been ripped off by the cloud mining, hash rate, stuff like that, I feel for you. I've been right there in the same boat, and it's just a tough thing to have to go through. But actually, everything's a learning experience though, right? So I set out on a quest to find a system, find something that I didn't actually have to lend my Bitcoin out, and that was compliant, to the current United States and Canada guidelines, and so that, that can't just get shut down. I guess anything can get shut down, but the more compliant the company is, then the more likely, they're going to be around. And so I was really kind of down and depressed and bummed out. And hey buddy, this is my dog Papa Bear. He's a big pit bull boxer mix. Say hi. Say hi, Papa. Hey, you guys got a hi out of Papa Bear. That's awesome. So anyway, I went scouring, and actually one of my mentors contacted me and told me about a new system that is totally compliant, and that you don't actually have to lend your Bitcoin out. Your Bitcoin actually stays on your own Binance or Bittrex or several other platforms you can use as well. And what it is it's automatic Bitcoin trading robots, which is perfectly legal. About 80% of all Bitcoin is traded with robots out there. And then about, you know, I don't know how many percent, but a lot of just your typical stock market trading is done with bots as well. So so yeah, he turned me onto the system, and the cool thing I like about it is I don't have to put my Bitcoin into anybody else's hands, right? My Bitcoin stays in my hands. And even if this company up and goes, my Bitcoin is still on my platform. Okay, they can't take off of my Bitcoin. So I like that. The software is a Bitcoin trading robot software. It's the latest, greatest indicating software. These things are absolutely amazing. I can tell you they know if something's going to go higher. They know if they have indicators that, you know, if the price of the coin is going to go higher, they'll stick in there. If they think it's going to drop, you know, they'll sell. But what they're doing is they're trading multiple altcoins for you on your own behalf. Have you guys ever like wanted to trade altcoins? Like, man, I wish I had the money and the experience and the know-how just to like trade altcoins, you know, and buy altcoins and trade these things. What these robots do is they trade a minimum of 15 altcoins for you day and night, 24 hours a day, and they're only programmed to sell if it reaches a 1% profit or higher. Now, I have trades in my back office trading out at 1.1, and I also have closing out, and I also have trades in my back office closing out on my Binance account, closing out at, let's see, the highest one I've had so far was 32 point something. I think it was 32.4 something percent. So they have indicators to know if it's even going to go higher than the 1%, but you're always going to make a minimum of a 1% gain on any trade that these bots open up for you. So it's a really cool system. I invite you guys, if you're out there struggling, looking for a way to multiply your Bitcoin, looking for the best crypto trading robot 2018, I invite you to go to workwithjasontemple.com. You can click the link below in the description as well, and just check out the same system that I checked out. And I can tell you it's working for me. It's doing everything that it says it's going to do, and that it does. And I'll have more videos later on my back office. Actually, they really don't like you showing the back office too much. I'm trying to stay as compliant as I can, and we're trying to you know, keep everything as compliant as we can, so that this system will be around for a long time. So if you guys click the link below or just go to workwithjasontemple.com, then you're going to come to a video, and it's going to give you you're going to come to a free video. It's going to tell you all about the system, how it works, the ins and outs of it. And then when you go on from there, there'll be a big green button at the bottom you can click. When you go on from there, it's my sign up page. You're going to see my name, Jason Temple, on there. You're also going to find my email address. And actually, if you're very serious, you're going to find my phone number on there. Don't call me unless you're very serious and you're ready to get started. Just have a couple questions. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. If you're a little unsure and you're not really ready to get started, feel free to email me any questions. I will get back with you. I fully support my team. I've been building teams for several years. I used to be an internet marketer, network marketer, but I'm a Bitcoin boy now. So, hey, thanks for watching this video. You guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring the bell below for notifications. And again, this is Crazy Jay. I want to thank you guys for stopping by the Crypto Temple today. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.